Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will see how to post data from one page to another page. Here in the screenshot, you can see the data is posted from page 1 main form to page 2 the target form. Right? Now let's proceed with this video. By default, when button is clicked, the data is posted to the same page in which the button resides. Sometimes we may need to submit data to a different web page. Such kind of data post is called cross page post. With the post back URL property, one can say to which form the data needs to be sent. So when we go to example, we will see where we are setting this post back URL property. Now let's go to the demo. Now we will create a new web form. And we will create one more form. Post target. So now we have two web forms. Here in the main form, we have the following controls. So if you look at here, we have some static text that is highlighted here in the ASPX file, right? And that's a simple label control. Then we have a text box, and there is a submit button. And in the submit button, if you see, we are redirecting the action to some other page. So the current page is main form.aspx. So if this specific line is not here, the submitted data will be goes to the submitted data. The submitted data will be sent to the same form. But here, since we have post back URL specified, now the submitted data will go to bc07b post target.aspx. We will save this and go to our post target web form. So our target web form is a simple form which contains only one control, and that's a label control. We'll click save all. You can see that's the label, and we provide ID as LBL display, right? All right, now we have two forms. One is the main form. Let's go to design view. This is the main form. In main form, user will enter data here and they will click submit, and submitted data will go to this target form. That means here we want to display the submitted data in the label. So we will go to code behind for the target form, because data is submitted here, right? We can use the page load itself to populate the label control. If user directly browses to this form, we need to skip executing this piece of code. That's why we state previous page not equal to null. And if you look at the page property, gets the page that transferred control to the current page. So when such a page doesn't exist, or when it is null, we should not do anything. When it is not null, that means data is submitted from some other page. We come inside, and if you see, we are making use of the previous page dot find control, and we are finding the control for txt input, and this is the main form, right? And if you look at here, the id is txt input. So that way we are finding the control and we are casting it to text box and storing that here. Then since we have the text box control from the other page, or the source page, we are taking the content of the text box, right, dot text. So it will retrieve the user typed text, and we are populating the label that is present in this target form. So this is from the base or source form. That's why we are using the previous page dot find control and id. And this is the page, this is the control that exists on this current page. Alright, now we will rebuild the solution, and when we are browsing, we have to browse the main form, right? Within browser. So in the address bar, you can see bc007a mainform.aspx. Here we are placing some text, sample text, and submitting it. And you can see the form is submitted to different page, and submitted data is sample text, so that get printed. Here we are populating the label control with the output. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.